What's up to other people, it's your man Omar. Today we're gonna prepare these delicious mozzarella sticks. Very crispy. Okay, before the preparation, let's set the oven at about 320 degrees. And now we can start. This is a very easy recipe actually, but we need to do few steps to make it even easier. So, crack a couple of eggs into a bowl and mix them like an omelette. Put a pinch of salt in and leave it apart for the moment. Now, you should add some seasonings to your breadcrumbs. This will give to your mozzarella stick a very tasty and spicy crust. Here, I use some garlic, black pepper and paprika. Mix it up a little bit and leave this apart. Now it's time to cut the mozzarella. Speaking of mozzarella, I obviously used a low-fat one, but if you want to use a regular mozzarella instead, make sure to buy the one suggested for pizza topping, as it does have less water inside. Excessive water, in fact, can cause troubles during the baking time, and your crust will not get crispy as it should. About the size, try to make pretty big strips so they won't fall apart when you roll them in the breadcrumbs. One last tip, if you don't have baking paper at home, make sure to use some oil spray on your baking tray to avoid any sticking problems. Alright, it's finally time to prepare the sticks. I tried two different approaches here with pretty much the same results. First is to roll the mozzarella into the flour, dip into the egg, back into the flour, back again into the egg, and last, roll it into the breadcrumbs. As this method takes a lot of time and extra flour, I suggest you to use the second one. So, just roll the mozzarella into the flour, dip into the egg and roll into the breadcrumbs. Much easier, trust me. Now, just repeat the process for all the sticks. Once you're done, put them into the oven for about 15 minutes. If you have it, use the grill mode on the last few minutes to make them very crispy. And that's it! The cheese did actually slide out a little bit, but they were very easy to take off from the tray and the crust was very crispy. As always, I hope you did enjoy this recipe, friends. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe to help me grow this channel. I'll catch you very soon. See ya! What's up to other people? It's your man Om. Cosa c'è?
Ok, basta.
Vado.
Sì.
What's up to other people? Dai amore!
Va bene, vai.
Non ce la farò mai più!
Vai.
Perché sembra una chitarra?
No.
What's up to... Dai, forza, ce la possiamo fare. Ok.
Aspetta.
Dai, amore, vai. Ci sentiamo poco. Concentriamoci. Vado. What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man. Dai! Amore!